And welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with news on boxing. Jamaican boxer Nicholas the Axeman Walters secured the regional WBA international title last evening in Miami, Florida, following a 10-round unanimous decision win over American Joseph Adorno. The former WBA featherweight champion Walters outworked his opponent and was awarded accordingly by the judges scores of 98-91, 97-92 and 95-94. Walters, who has now boxed just twice since 2016, won an 8-round unanimous decision over Luis Diaz-Marmol in February of last year in his first comeback fight and is now 29-1. 17 months into his 4-year ban for evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection, John Campbell must wait at least another 2 months for a decision from the Court of Arbitration for Sport, CAS, into his appeal until May 31. This is an unprecedented 6th time that CAS has delayed revealing the cricketer's decision. The latest delay was confirmed on Thursday by CAS, which communicated with both the legal teams of Jadco and Campbell. The Switzerland-based court had promised to announce its decision today, March 28. The CAS previously delayed their decision on August 31, 2023, October 31, 2023, December 19, 2023, January 18, 2024, and February 22 of this year. Campbell's legal team had argued for up to a 3-year reduction based on an overall assessment of the sanction provision and the mitigating factors in the case. Sports Minister Olivia Babs-Grange says a commitment has been made to the Jamaica Cricket Association to invest 25% of the $40 million dispensation for the first part of a 3-year commitment. After opting out of bidding for the upcoming T20 World Cup, the government announced that they will be investing $100 million across 3 years to aid the development of the game. On Wednesday, Minister Grange said plans are afoot to have monies paid over to the JCA.
We announced that $100 million would be available for the development of cricket over the next 3 years. The first tranche has been announced by the Minister of Finance, $40 million. And out of that, a significant portion of that will go towards the development of women's cricket.
JCA President Wilford Billy Heaven says the organization will be making the necessary steps to incorporate more girls interested at the lower level.
We're looking at the at how we proportion the $40 million this year, because maybe it will be possible to have more than 25% of that going into women's cricket. But we want to target the very primary level of the development of the women's program. Right now, as you know, it is mandatory for 2 girls to play in the primary school competition. We have to look back at that to see how adequate that is. In my own view, I don't believe that is adequate. So we have to look back there to see how we can improve on that.
And finally, Danvers Pen blanked Port Morant All-Stars 2-0 on Wednesday night to record their first win in the Surge St. Thomas Major League at the York Oval. Romain Virtue and Tevin Wilson were on the score sheet for Danvers Pen with strikes in the 45th and 56th minutes. In the evening's other encounter, it was a similar 2-0 win for York United over Bath Sports Club. Tyreek Patterson and Rodane Williams scored for York. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Kerry, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.